Hi, my name is Alli. I'm from the Benicia Public Library. We're not at the library right now. We are in my backyard on purpose because I wanted the sun to hit the project we're going to do here with some food coloring and some water. So I have glasses here that have water in them, and I also have food coloring. I have yellow and red and blue. We're going to start with yellow. You can tell it's yellow because the tip of it here will look yellow. Sometimes when I was a kid at home, we would wind up putting the wrong cap on the wrong one. So don't look at the cap, look at that. And also the bottle, you'll notice, looks red. It's not. It's really yellow. So I poured one drop in, and now I'm going to pour in a second drop. And you can see what happened. What? It turned yellow. That's very cool. All right, that was fun. In fact, I like that so much. We're going to do the same thing one more time, where I'm going to take yellow, and where I'm going to put in 2 drops of food coloring, and then it's fun to watch it kind of swish around and kind of diffuse through the rest of the water, and then we have yellow water. Cool. So that happened. I'm going to try a different color now, though. I'm going to try some red, and again, red cap often means it's the right color, but double check yourself by looking at the actual stopper from which the food coloring comes and make sure that you have the right one. So for yellow, I like to only just use a few drops because if you put too much in, it turns a really dark shade of yellow that doesn't look great. Also, while I'm switching this around, don't fill the glasses too high because otherwise when you swish it around to make sure that it all diffuses, you wind up splishing it all over the place. Right, so okay, I put in red food coloring and I wound up with red. I wound up with 4 drops in there. The amount of water you put in is going to help determine how much you put in. So, or yeah. Okay, so I'm going to try that one more time with red because, you know what, I think I'm good. I think I will move from red to blue. Okay. Blue is a fun one because it's so dramatic. So blue stopper on there, blue cap on it. And I don't know if you can see it kind of spreading, but look at that. What? It looks really neat. And if I switch this around some, kind of carefully so I don't spill it, I wind up with some really pretty blue water. Trying to get that so you can really see the blue there. Okay. Now I have blue water, I have red water, I have yellow water twice because I got a little carried away with that. But I'm going to take one of those yellow waters and I'm going to take some red water. And if I combine them, do you know what you're going to get? Like, do you know what happens? It's pretty neat. So let's find out. Okay, so yellow and red, if you combine them, you start pouring this in there. I don't know if you can see what happened. It became a color in between red and yellow. It became orange. Look at that. It's a really, really nice orange. That's why I did this outside so you could kind of see the colors better. Yeah, pretty orange. Okay, if I take a yellow cup, or a cup with yellow water in it, and I add blue to it, do you know what color you get? Well, we're going to find out. So yellow and blue combine. You see what just happened? It is a super, super pretty springy green. That is awesome. I'm trying to tilt it so that you can really see how green this looks. That is awesome. Okay. I have one last cup here, which we haven't really tried. And so far, what I've been doing is making one color and then adding one color to it. I'd like to try something where I put 2 colors in simultaneously to see what happens. So we're going to try that with with blue and with red, and I'm gonna put those in at the same time, and we're gonna see what color comes, because we have tried to combine all these other primary colors, but not yet blue and red. So if I put those in and I put in a drop of each at the same time and we mix them around, it's a little tricky to see it, but we are getting pretty nice purple. I have actually filmed this a few times now. Purple consistently is the hardest color to get to see because it's so dark, but I'm tilting this so that you can kind of get the sun to go through it, which is why I'm filming this outside. And I'm hoping you are seeing that this is a very, very pretty, just really kind of vibrant purple color now. So, okay, blue and red together made purple, and yellow and blue together are going to make green, and yellow and red together make orange. You can try mixing all of these. So now we have a whole set of different colors that are orange and purple and green. You can keep combining colors on your own, especially if you're doing it with paints. It'll be really easy to mix different colors. You can make lighter or darker shades. Try it at home, see what happens. Okay, this is Allie checking out, but hope to see you sometime in the library. Thanks.